I have shared my screen here. So now what we'll discuss is we'll talk on. So I'm connecting to this DemoDB database here, DemoDB, and click on new query. So I'm connected to, you can see here in the drop down, you'll have DemoDB, and I've connected to the DemoDB database, and I've taken new query window here. So what we'll discuss is we'll talk about identity column in SQL Server. So what does this identity column does? We'll talk. So let's go to a small, let me open the Excel here. Okay. Then let's go here. So assume like I'm creating some employee table, EMP table, and it has got ID, name, sal, and department number. So now ID 1, name A, salary 1000, department 10, 2 year, B, some 2000, department 20, 3, C year, 3000, 30, 4, D year, 4000, 10 year. So this is what you have done today. So you have inserted it. Assume like this is a table and you have inserted. Tomorrow you come back and now till yesterday your ID was having 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And somehow what you have done again you have given value as 4 here. And a name is E, then 5000 here, then 20 department. Year 5, then F year, 6000, 30 here. So now if you see here, this name E and D and E employees has got same ID 4. So that is wrong, right? Each employee should have unique ID. Each employee should have unique ID. So this is what we are doing. So there's when we are when user is manually inserting the ID, there's a probability of having a duplicate value in ID here. So ID has unique value. So you can't have 4 year, 4 for 2 people, right? You can't have. So this is a human error that you are trying to do it here. So what will happen if you do it? This is wrong. Then how do you handle this? So Microsoft has come with a something called identity column. So what does identity column take is identity column will take, identity will take, so start value and increment, increment value, or it is also called as step value here. So as an example, you take identity 1 comma 1. So what happens? It starts with 1. 1. So 1 has inserted. Now it will increment by 1 because we told this is step value, right? So every time so first time it will get 1 and it will increment by 1. So next time you will have 2. Then next time 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So here you don't provide value here. System automatically takes the last value that you have inserted and it will get incremented by 1 here. Example, now if you take identity 1 comma 5. So what happens? It is starting value is 1, incrementing by 5, right? So 1, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, 16 plus 5, 21. So like this it is. Why you are getting 5? Because why you after 1, why you are getting a 6? Because you are incrementing the value, previous value with 5. So when the column you are defining with identity, you don't provide any value. System takes care, and you should not insert value into that column. Let's go and create the column here, table here. Let's go create table emp id int identity 1 comma 1. So every time it should be sequence. So here this one is starting value, and it is going to get incremented by 1. Now name char 30 or char 10. Now sal decimal 18 comma 2, right? Department number int here. So we are creating. So let me go and create a table here. I've created. Now go to this database here and go to this tables and refresh here. You'll find that employee table here, right? Yeah. Now, so as I told you, because you are defining this identity call with ID with identity column. So you have defined this ID with identity column. So you should not insert any data, any value into that column. If you try to insert, what happens? It will throw the error. Let's see. Let's start. Let's try to insert data. Insert into employee values. I'll try to insert and show you. If I insert, actually we should not insert any value which is the column with identity. But I'm trying to insert. Let's see what it is going to tell you. Right now. So I'm trying to insert 1. Let's see whether it will say anything or it will allow us to insert. Did you see here? An explicitly value for identity column in table can only be specified when it is set on, right? So you should not insert. Now we'll insert only, so this identity, the identity column is defined on ID column, so system takes care. Starting with 1, getting incremented. So what we'll do, I'll just remove this. So I'm inserting only for which columns? I'm inserting only for name, sal, department number. Now you try to insert. Okay, let's go and insert here. So it has got inserted. So I've not supplied any value to identity ID column. I've given name, sal, department. Let's go here. Let's select the table, select start from EMP, execute here. So you got 1. If I go and insert next record, that is B year 2020 year. Let's go. Let's insert this table row again. So now you see you got 2. Now we'll go and insert third record C here 3 30 year. Now let's go and insert right now. So automatically system is taking care. So now you'll get 3. So system will get that max value and start inserting it. So this is about your identity. So now if I delete, so let me go and delete here. So we know that. So let's go here. Let's see. So you see this 3 till 3. I'll go and delete this ID equal to 3. Okay. So let's see here. Delete from EMP where ID equal to 3 here. So now go and see it has got. So I'm deleting third record, but system has inserted third value in identity, right? Yes. Now go and delete here. Now it has got deleted. Now see. Now you got 2. So what will happen now if at all I insert the fourth record now? Because third record, the ID column 3 I've deleted, but it system has got inserted. System has inserted the value. Now I'll try to insert fourth record here. So what happened? Will it take the ID column as 3 or 4? Because third ID column has got inserted, I've deleted. Now after deleting, you see only 2 records are left over, 1 and 2. So will it take from 2 or 3? So it takes from 3 because third record is already inserted, but you have deleted manually. So it doesn't insert from 3 here. Now it start inserting from 4. Now just go here. Right? Now just say go and check. You will have 4 value there. You see 4. So 3 was inserted, you deleted. Right? Now let's go. So now what I'll do, I'll just go. So you know that the value you can see here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4. 3 record we deleted. Now I'll just go and truncate this data. We know that 44 the data has got inserted. I'm truncating it here. I'm truncating it. So what happened? So we know that 1, 2, 4 values were there. I've truncated. Now I'll go and insert with E. So what will happen? So we were having 1 comma 4, 2 comma 4. So will that take 5 or what is that happens? It doesn't take 5. It will, because you have truncated old data. So it will start again from beginning 1. Okay. See here. Now I'll see. Now let's go here. I've inserted. Now let's go and select this data. So now, so you got 1. So when you delete, so it doesn't go and reset this identity. When you truncate the table, this will go and reset this identity. But when you, this happens only when you truncate, but when you delete, it doesn't reset. It will take next value. So this is what the difference between your delete and truncate when you use identity column in SQL. So now you have got, so your system will automatically insert the value using the identity function. And we have seen what happens when we use delete and truncate also. Okay. I hope you have, yeah, it was good and you have learned something from here. Please subscribe my video. Thank you.